It's a 6:30 a.m. start with Grand Adventure Balloon Tours. As the crew inflates the balloon, we get a safety briefing. And when the 90-foot tall balloon is tilted upright, it's go time.
Now that you're in the basket, very important, stay in the basket till I instruct you to get out.
Up, up, and away!
Off we go to soar over Grand County. We are officially aeronauts.
Which is Latin for sky sailor.
We certainly are sailing the sky as the shadow of the balloon glides across the ground.
As warm air rises, in the morning we get a temperature inversion.
Which means it gets warmer as we climb higher. The view of peaks like Byers Peak is beautiful.
You get to see 5 counties of Colorado, all from the sky.
Captain Jack does a bubble test. As they float away, the bubbles look like they're going up.
They're not. They're dropping, actually. Just not as quickly as we are.
Then we do our first drop down for a different perspective.
I'm using the different winds to maneuver around.
Then we ride back up to 3,000 feet above Grand County. We even get to see a train.
It's in Fraser and heading into Winter Park.
Close to some cows, we come down again for low-level flying to just skim the earth.
I'm being the dork waving at myself.
Then back up again to make our descent near Crooked Creek. Sue and the chase crew guide us over to a clearing for landing.
Woo!
Sue pops the cork on a tradition that is over 200 years old of celebrating a safe flight with champagne.
We'll toast to gentle breezes and soft landings and another beautiful Colorado morning. Cheers.
In the afternoon, we're off on another ride of sorts at Devil's Thumb Ranch. Time to take the Wiki Up line with help from our guides, Candace and Doug, and zip along a 370-foot line at a speed of up to 18 miles per hour.
Kat, how was your first zip line?
It was awesome.
Next is the Stagecoach line.
I've zipped over plenty of deer in this one.
And so we're going to go over 20 miles per hour on this one?
Yep.
This one is 500 feet long.
I decided I'd come in backwards.
On to number 3, the Take No Prisoners line. It's 540 feet long and you reach speeds of up to 23 miles per hour. Then the Nordic line to zip 632 feet.
Was that one fun?
That was a good one. Progressive, getting faster and faster. View is fantastic.
The grand finale is the High Lonesome line.
See you later!
At 1,600 feet, it's 2.5 to 3 times longer than the other 4 lines, and you can hit speeds of almost 40 miles per hour.